Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. October 10, 1848 America, New York. Everyone set for another week of China Evergrande news? Expected default imminent. Strap in for another week of dire news of China's property development sector. As background, in case you missed it, the firm has missed payments on a number of coupons and bonds it has guaranteed. Forex Live. October 10, 1820 America, New York. Weekend. U.S. Senate Republican Leader McConnell says will not help raise debt ceiling again. The vote in the Senate on Friday, Asia time, cemented a raised debt limit for the U.S. until December. There is still a House vote to come this week, but that should pass easily.
New York Times Business. October 10, 1804 America, New York. There is shadow inflation taking place all around us. Some companies haven't been raising prices. Instead, they've been cutting back customer services and conveniences, but how should that be measured? A menu in the form of a QR code?
Global Economy. October 10, 1756 America, New York. FirstFT. Georgieva drama to overshadow IMF annual meeting. Debate over fate of Georgieva's role at IMF. The latest on Europe's gas crunch. EU and UK edge closer to trade war.
Forex Live. October 10, 1729 America, New York. U.S.-China talks on trade. China floated the idea of cancellation of tariffs and sanctions. A weekend piece via Reuters on virtual talks held between U.S. Trade Representative Catherine Tai and China's Vice Premier Liu He. China's Xinhua State News Agency. Forex Live. October 10, 1709 America, New York. Heads up for a partial U.S. holiday Monday and Canadian holiday also. An early heads up for the North American holidays on Monday the 11th of October 2021. Canada is closed for Thanksgiving Day holiday. In the U.S. stock markets are open but the bond market is closed for Columbus Day. Forex Live. October 10, 1659 America, New York. Trade Ideas Thread. Monday the 11th of October 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so. Forex Live. October 10, 1625 America, New York. Bank of England Governor Bailey weekend comments on inflation, unemployment, policy. An interview with Bo Gov Bailey in the UK press. A couple of snippets. There are no details of what Bailey in the bank may DOP, just general lines such as Forex Live. October 10, 1613 America, New York. New Zealand announced a big jump in COVID-19 cases on Sunday. 60 new cases reported on Sunday for the preceding 24 hours, which is a big jump in New Zealand. NZ has contained the spread very well in comparison to other countries. Forex Live. October 10, 1552 America, New York. Goldman Sachs cuts its U.S. GDP forecast, 5.6% Y for 2021, versus 5.7% previous. A Sunday note via Goldman Sachs with cuts to their economic growth forecasts for the U.S. this year and next, citing Forex Live. October 10, 1552 America, New York. Economic calendar due from Asia today, Monday the 11th of October 2021. Later in the Japanese day today we'll get machine tool orders for September, 0600 GMT. Otherwise, the data agenda is bare.
New York Times Business. October 10, 1544 America, New York. James Bond returns and theaters see reason for hope. No Time to Die has taken in more than $300 million worldwide. The overall box office remains fragile, however, and the future for films that aren't part of big-budget franchises is unsure. No Time to Die took in an estimated $56 million in the United States and Canada over the weekend.
BBC News Business. October 10, 1509 America, New York. Liberty Steel cash injection to save 660 jobs. The deal will allow the UK firm's Rotherham plant, which has been closed since spring, to reopen.
Marginal Revolution. October 10, 1508 America, New York. Sunday assorted links. 1. The mental health hit from COVID. 2. Do populations underinvest in genetic diversity? 3. New Yorker piece on economics texts and curricula. 4. What do falconry and crypto have in common?
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 10, 1500 America New York, Economy Week ahead. Inflation, jobless claims, retail sales. Measures of inflation in China and the U.S. highlight this week's economic data.
Naked Capitalism. October 10, 1455 America New York. Did labor action over vaccine mandates compel Southwest to cancel thousands of flights? The strange story of Southwest's operational collapse this weekend.
Forex Live. October 10, 1453 America New York, Monday morning open levels. Indicative Forex prices the 11th of October 2021. Good morning, afternoon or evening to all Forex live traders and welcome to the start of the new FX week. Some small change from late Friday levels. Be back soon with weekend news.
New York Times Business. October 10, 1417 America New York, Facebook whistleblower fallout prompts a push to calm employees. Employees are divided over Frances Haugen, a former product manager who testified that the company was putting profit before safety. Frances Haugen, a former Facebook product manager turned whistleblower, testifying before a Senate subcommittee last week. New York Times Business. October 10, 1330 America New York, Southwest Airlines widespread cancellations disrupt weekend travel. More than 1,000 flights were cancelled on Sunday and 800 on Saturday. The airline blamed air traffic control and disruptive weather, but no other carrier reported problems. A Southwest Airlines plane in Houston.
Global Economy. October 10, 1315 America New York, time for a health check. It's a good week for runners, but a more nervous one for those awaiting news of economic recovery.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 10, 1311 America New York, latest James Bond film lags behind predecessors. The 25th installment in the Bond franchise, No Time to Die, opened to an estimated $56 million in the US and Canada after the movie was delayed for more than a year due to COVID-19.
Marginal Revolution. October 10, 1309 America New York, my Nobel predictions. I never get it right, except when I named Duflo, Banerjee, and Kramer, but a few of you have been asking. I'll predict David Card, Claudia Goldin, and Larry Katz for work related to issues of poverty and inequality, etc. In any case, we'll know soon enough.